Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Today we're going to be installing the side flare. So it's like in the sun. My dad got it cleaned up in places right here. And we're going to be putting it on right here today. Alright, we're going to be putting it on. Hi everyone, this is my dad. Say hi Alex.
Hi.
So we're going to be taking it off. We just did a test fitting, that's all we did. So we're going to have to take this off for you to see, so yeah. Alright, we're going to take it off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the top part goes on first, you said that?
Yeah, I gotta see here.
You got yours? It's clipped in right there. You want to maybe when I can start spraying it on there.
I'll just start laying them out.
You already put a washer on that one, right? Down here?
Yeah, one at the bottom, yeah.
Okay, that's what needs to be. So, these right here needs a washer. So we're using these type of washers and this here. What type of washers these are then?
One is a 5mm, and the other one is 8mm.
Okay, so this is a 5 and this is the 8. Okay.
Which one?
This one right here, I need to hear that.
Yeah. One washer short, 2 washers. I'll go get them.
Okay. Alright, we're got everything all bolted down. And see if I can get you guys to see underneath here. Looks like the tires are in the way, but anyway, these are all been bolted down much as you can see. I might have to turn the wheels for you guys. But anyway. So yeah, this is, we gotta clean this off right here. So you can see how it's on there. It looks so much better. When I screw it in, it pulls it in more. And plus, when the sun heat this up, it actually helps shape it better. So the next step we gotta do is over here and towards the back. Left rear wheel well. So the same process we did in the front over there will be the same as here. So we just gotta buy some more materials and start doing the same thing again. And we're waiting for this to come loose more. I mean, it's kind of loose a little bit. See how it is right there. Need some more of that goof off stuff put down in here, help loosen it. And yeah, we'll take care of this when this side comes off. And the side over here is doing the same thing. You might not see it, but there's a space right there. When it got real hot, this actually separated. So yeah, we're gonna fix this when it completely falls off. Then right there too. So it might be a while on this one. Kids playing scratch. So anyway, I'm probably end up getting this whole Dodge Challenger repainted in a way. So yeah. And over here, we're going to do the same for this one. We're going to find a way to separate this one. You can see like a little, put some of that goof off stuff right there, and work with just a small fin cutter. There's a pretty nice wide gap in there. So yeah, so we'll be working on this side pretty soon. If not, worst case scenario, we just make it where it comes on there all together.
I could do that.
You make it all one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could just do that then if we have to.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's pretty even right there too. Yeah, it's pretty even. So we could just make a metal piece go here, then one inside here, then make it all one solid then. Because if you need to take out the back bumper, you just need to unbolt it right there, then unbolt this and come off. So we're making, we can actually remove it, put it on and off. So yeah. Yeah, we did spray some stuff on it here to keep it from rusting. But we're going to do that on the other side over there too.
That's that, that undercoating.
Yeah. So later on, we're going to take the tires, the rims off, well, not to take the tires off the rim, but you know, take the tires off, completely off the Challenger. You know, take it off, spray underneath there, and keep it from rusting, stuff like that. Okay, stay tuned for the next scene. All right. Hi, Nathan.
Fixing car.
Chris, Nathan, move.
All right, come on. Do what you gotta do. Spray some undercoating underneath it. Undercoat.
Oh, hi.
It's only on the inside. Come on, Nathan. Let's move out of the way. You're not spraying on the screws. You're just only spraying on the inside of the wheel well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, dirty.
Nathan, say hi. Fix. Fixing Daddy's Challenger.
Papa.
Okay. All right. Doesn't look too bad. That's my other son, Christopher. This other one is my other son, Nathan. Part of the team. And you know that's my old man, my dad, Alex. So anyway, thank you everyone for tuning into our channel, W.D.T High Performance. Please subscribe to our channel. And please join our group on Facebook called Wicked Toys. We'd love to have you. Everyone stay safe out there and be careful. Stay safe out there. Love you all. Take care. Peace.